Hello, this is Gbpjpy speaking. We are back and we are taking a short fundamental break. And without wasting so much time, I'd like to start. And today I'll start with GPY. But before that, I want to put a huge disclaimer out there. Kindly, if you are to follow this analysis, please make sure you're using a stop loss, because we are still in that period of uncertainty. So please do yourself a favor and use a stop loss. So let me go straight away to it. I'd like to start with GPY, and today I'll be very quick. My bias for GPY is a buy, bullish, to up to 144.500. So as you can see, what is indicated here, this happens to be my critical zone at 137.80, sorry. So in case there's a possibility of a retracement to this critical zone, and then we keep an eye on this critical zone for any possible price action confirmation for us to take our buys, targeting 144.500. However, you know how we handle our critical zones. So in case it is violated, we change our bias, we head downwards. That is the first option. And remember, in case, because the market, as you always say, in case the market decides to continue buying, you know what to do. Look out for still your buy opportunities. It doesn't necessarily mean 100% that this retracement is going to happen, but it's a possibility. So this is what I'm going to be looking out for, and my bias is a buy up to 144.500. I'd like to go to gold, and as I said, some of you were messed up by gold this week, this very random move, and some of you were on the right side. Congratulations. But most of you, majority of you, this move, it's either you didn't take it or it blew your account. So this is my analysis for gold. I'm bullish on gold, and I know there are a few reasons that I don't want to spend so much time explaining here, but I'll be expecting gold to buy fast to 1900, around 1900, and then finally we can head to 1970. So that is my target for gold. Bullish up to 1970. So let me go to pound USD. As I said, I'll be very, very fast. So pound USD and pound JPY highly correlate. So the same setup, I'll be expecting a possible retracement to 1.3100 and then a strong buy towards 135.00. So this 1.3100 happens to be our critical zone. So we are going to keep our eyes on this zone. It will give us a direction. If it is rejected, we know we look for buy opportunities to 1.3500. In case the market decides to violate this critical zone, we know we head downwards, and we are going to head downwards targeting this level of 1.28800. So that is going to be our next target in case the market decides to violate our critical zone. However, our bias is bullish, so we are going to keep our eye on this level to decide where to go next. On to Nasdaq. So for Nasdaq, I'm bearish on Nasdaq. I'll expect, or I'm hoping that Nasdaq should be selling towards 11,000. However, as you can see, this level, the current level, is very critical, and I know the market will tend to go upwards to 12,000. It will tend towards 12,000, as you can see indicated. So for now, if you're Nasdaq, you should be looking for buy opportunities, and then now we can sell towards 11,000. This move is going to happen. Then we are going to keep an eye on the optimal trade entry point to decide whether we'll still go to head upwards or we are going now to head downwards to 11,000. So keep your eye on this level. It is going to give you a hint, and that is all you need, and then you can make a move. So for Dow Jones, they're also highly correlated. However, and this tells you that we are in unprecedented times of the market. Dow Jones and the Nasdaq, they highly correlate. But if you checked the move that happened this week, they were negatively correlated. That should tell you something, that it is very important. It is very important in these times to use a stop loss, whatever direction. Even if you think you're going to be right, please make sure you have your stop loss in place. If that's not the case, please make sure you are scalping until this week, and probably, yes, this week. And yes, so after that, probably we can resume to normal operations. If you team no stop loss, it's still okay. You just do your thing. But for this week, make sure you use a stop loss. I'm bearish too on Dow Jones, so I'll be expecting this move to happen downwards towards 26,000. Yes, so this is what I'm going to keep my eye on. It's going to be a lot of pips. So in case you're a swinger and there's price action confirmation, you know what to do. You know what to do. We have around 3,400 pips to enjoy on this move. And that is it for today. And have some good news for volatility indices traders. I know most of you know the Great FX from synthetic indices, and I will be giving you guys daily or rather weekly forecast so that you guys know what we are doing. It's going to be a replica of what we do on currencies and indices, so expect more from me. Expect better analysis and lots of support. Yes, so all the best. See you, but please make sure to adapt or die. The markets don't care. This was a Great FX speaking.